Hmm, what shall I make today? Let's see. Well, let's find out.
Hello everybody, and I'm MsJazzyTea, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we have a special guest. Today we are going to, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to organize my pantry. So that's our special guest, my pantry. Yay!
Welcome to my pantry. So this is what my pantry looks like from the inside. On the top are the things I barely use, and we have our noodles. And on the bottom, I mostly store other kitchen items that I mostly use every day in the kitchen. So we're gonna organize this, and I'm gonna turn this to something beautiful. Remember to use the ladder. First things first, we're gonna clear everything inside the pantry. Now I'm gonna wipe the pantry cabinet. After I finish wiping, I'm going to add my new clean pink towels. Before I put everything back in my cabinet, I like to categorize my items. I like to wipe my vases, jars, and other fragile items before I put them back on the cabinet. I like to organize my vases by height, so the tallest are on the back and the shortest are in the front. My vases and my jars are hardly used, so they're mostly on the top of my cabinet. My next category will be my noodles. Remember to check the food expiration date. I organize my food by the expiration date. April 2021 is the oldest, should be in the front. July 2021 is the newest, should be on the back. After I use my spaghetti sauce jar, I just rinse it out and use it as a container. I'm reusing the jar as a container to store my thin spaghetti. Can you check if the order is correct? The first box should be October, so I'm gonna switch the November box on the top next to November. Now it's October, November, November. I'm going to use the stacking shelf that I got from Walmart. Remember to take out the stickers and wipe the stacking shelf. See, it's that simple. Now I can
who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and
I'm going to reuse my ramen box. The purpose of the ramen box inside my cabinet is that I don't want the soy sauce or the vinegar to spill inside my cabinet. Don't forget to keep checking on the expiration date as well. Let's play a game called Expired or Not. If you hear the, that means it is expired. If you hear the, it means it's not expired. Thank you for watching my video today. I hope that I help you guys inspired of some way how to organize your pantry, or maybe got you guys motivated to organize. Have a good day.